This is the Grand Hyatt in Denver, Colorado. I upgraded to a king corner room in the 17th floor. And sure, we got some bathrobes here, which is nice for a Grand Hyatt. But not sure if everyone gets that or it's just the corner rooms here. The upgrade for the corner room is actually pretty decent. It was only $15 more per night. I had a regular king room before this. You don't really appreciate the corner room so much though, because there's no windows on the other corner. So even though this is a corner room, I suppose might be more spacious, but you don't get any more brightness into the room. Now the view is okay. It's not on the nicer part of Colorado, so we're not looking neither the Rockies or the larger part of downtown, so that's another bummer. Maybe this is why they are giving these rooms for only $15 extra. Typical Grand Hyatt is very boring, but also very, modern, subdued. I don't have any problem particularly with that. Not a lot of local kind of like flavor here. You got a mini fridge on there. You got some water, no espresso machine, just a regular coffee maker. One annoying thing about Grand Hyatts, even though this is a conference hotel, and this is why I'm here, most people come here for a conference. I actually told them like so many times, they keep putting these chairs for the working desk that have no wheels. So, it's really hard to kind of move these chairs on this carpet. I don't really know who thinks about this thing. Now this chair also is seeing much better days. So yeah, that's kind of a bummer. I've experienced that in many Grand Hyatts, which I think is annoying because if there is a conference hotel out there, it is Grand Hyatts. Then the bathroom, typical Grand Hyatt fashion too, clean, modern, but no bathtub of any kind. It's pretty decent size with a kind of a sort of rain shower, which is nice. So not super exciting, but I think for the price, I paid around $250, $275 a night for this room. I was upgraded to it $15. I think it's decent for Denver in the middle of kind of conference season here. This is the Grand Hyatt in Denver.